Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mwako about Sandy Home Recipe. Sinde di kan a ohwe me video a. Memma rain to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto a won sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we sunya se be Popsicle ice cream. We strawberry. Ana me di yogurt de aka ho. Yogurt no sugar kakra den ewo mu enye Greek yogurt. Wo di enso kakra de aka ho. No wa blend it nyinaa together. Wadum no akohwe agu ice cream mold mu. Uhwe mama na nye ma esanse ye 3 layers. Wo di akohwe freezer for 40 minutes. Ansa na atoa so. After 40 minutes na wayi. Now the yogurt ni bi agu esro. And also o ma na nye ma. What the steak ahihye ebia mu. Wo da kwese freezer for 30 minutes. Na wa ba wo third one ene ye blueberries. Wo di begu u blender mu. Wo di yogurt kakra de aka ho. Inso kakra aka ho. Na wa blend it nyinaa together. Uwia no akoyi ice cream na she freezer no. Na wa hwie agu ebia eso. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Would I share freezer for 1 hour? After 1 hour, na wayi, na wa serve. If my choosing the can I show me video, remember to subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto a wonsabeka. Me yewe na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our Popsicle ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.